So I had planted this pineapple lily leaf, and it's been 2 months, and now it is beginning to dry up on the top. So I want to see what's going on. Does it have roots or what? So I'm going to just take it out. Oh yeah, it does have root. So that's nice. And I see a little bulb forming. So that's good. I'm going to put it back. I don't know if this will survive or not, but I have some more um, leaf cuttings. So I'm not going to touch them, and hopefully they'll all grow. So I'm just going to leave it and keep watering it once in a while over the winters, and hopefully by spring uh, it will sprout and a new plant will come out of it. I guess when you take the cutting of leaves and plant them like this, they take a long time to grow, but they do grow. So I'm sure if this survives the winter, then in spring I will have new plants. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.